Ahmedo Roni.
What's going on, everyone? I hope that you're doing great. IJayReaction from Canada is back with another reaction video. In today's video, we are heading to Turkey. After my reaction to the great remix of Gavokum from a great Egyptian singer in the name of Hamza, you guys have requested my reaction on Kurdish songs. So as I know that you guys are emotional and you love emotions from the music videos, I selected an emotional performance from a very famous Kurdish singer in the name of Aynur Doğan. And the name of the music video is Aynur Doğan Ahmedo live performance, guys. So as always, I'm gonna read a quick biography of Aynur Doğan to introduce her to you guys, and I have to tell you the story of this song, and then you will understand the feelings of this live performance. So Aynur Doğan was born on the 1st of March 1975, is a contemporary Kurdish singer and musician from Turkey, guys. She was born in Çemişgezek, a small mountain town in Dersim province in Turkey, and moved to Istanbul in 1992. She studied saz and türkü singing in an influential music school in Istanbul, the Arif Sa Music, guys. So the story of this song is about a poor and lonely girl in the name of Basna. Her parents are trying to force her unwillingly to marry to her cousin, who has already 3 wives, and he's in his 70s, guys. So they are forcing that poor girl to marry an old guy. And on the other hand, Basna is in love with a young guy in the name of Ahmed. So Basna, in this song, Basna is complaining about her situation, how she's lonely and poor, and she's just telling us her feelings, guys. She's sharing her pure feelings and emotions, and it's a sad song, guys. It's so terrible. What she's gonna tell us, what Basna is gonna explain to us, is really heartbreaking. And I'm sure that the performance of Aynur on this song is amazing. So I'm really excited to watch this video, guys. So let's do it. Aynur Ahmedo. I know Aynur, I know this song, but this is my first reaction to this video, guys. Nice music. That instrument is tambur. I like the stage. The arrangement is great. Here we go. Poor me. So these are Basna's words, guys.
Ahmedo. Hayran tunamirin hakimi kuru gede tunamirin hakimi.
So I'm gonna tell you the meaning of the lyrics, guys. In Kurdish, Roni means the light of your eye, and when someone is the light of your eye, that someone is the dearest to you. So here Basna is saying to Ahmed that, dear Ahmed, you're not a nobleman, you're not a doctor. Literally it means that, dear Ahmed, you're not a rich guy, because in this story Ahmed is a shepherd, and obviously the guy that they are trying to force Basna to marry her is a rich guy.
مهنگولان نیسان و داره لسرسین گو بره من افدالا خودی دانت قرجنت باری.
And here Basna says that my heart is like in a sunny day, that sun is burning my heart, and she's mentioning the name of some month that refers to the spring season, and Basna says that it's a sunny day in my heart and it's not raining at all. Literally it means that so it's so poetic, but it means that again she's trying to intensify the bad situation that she is in, and she's hopeless completely, she's all alone, and she's just trying to show her feelings with these great metaphors.
Ahmedo. La la la. La 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 basna rabana le turabana le.
Now Basna is telling to herself that you are poor, you are hopeless.
Azrabana وازربنا كيد الشاوتي ببهاتي ربنا أزربنا ربنا 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 وازربنا
So Raban in Kurdish means is referring to a situation that you're all alone and everything is against you. And she says that Basna is telling to herself that I'm Rabanim and as Dil Kharibim, and I am all alone in my heart, and I am poor, I am hopeless. So you can imagine the situation that she's in, right, guys?
Hay delala hay delal 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 hay delal
Basna is still complaining that, oh dear, the night is dark and I cannot see you. Guys, the nice part hit the heart. I love that part, so I'm gonna play that part again. Aynur is really killing it. Wow. Such a powerful performance. Wow. I'm really impressed, guys. Well done, Aynur, well done. So I was getting goosebumps from the beginning of the performance, guys. Well done. Oh my goodness. You know, in Kurdish culture, the music, the dancing styles are related to a historical event, guys. These are true stories, and what happened to Basna was really heartbreaking and sad. I think still we have these kind of problems in Middle East, and it's really terrible. How can you force someone to marry with the guy that they're not in love with? That's really complicated, but hopefully nowadays it's not like before, but these are really old, you know. So back in the days a lot of crazy stuffs were happening, and no one knew what's going on, but these songs are our connection with the old days, guys. Well, I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I loved Aynur's incredible live performance, guys, and I love to introduce this great emotional Kurdish song to you. I hope that you enjoyed watching it, guys. If you enjoyed watching this video, you already know what to do. Hit that like button, and if you are new to my channel, do me a huge favor and hit the subscribe button. I hope that you enjoyed the translation that I gave it to you guys. I did my best to try to share the feelings of the song, and I hope that you liked it. Take a good care of yourself wherever you are, because I will definitely catch you on next reaction videos, and peace.